Hey, it's Jill from Glimmerbug, and today I wanted to share with you just a quick video on a couple of new items that I've got going in my shop. I've got journal clips that are bookmarks, and they're in the shapes of little houses, and they have a little paper clip on the back, and there's all different ones that I've made that will be at the Open Studios this weekend, so Saturday the 30th from 10 to 4. And Sunday the 1st from 12 to 4. So these will be available in person. I haven't listed them on my website or on my Etsy shop because I want to make sure that there's enough in case people want to buy them in person. And they're $5 each, and they're all different. So I've got some Halloween ones, which I just love. They have little like spiders and skeletons, and they're all different. And they all have a paper clip on the back that you can go put over a journal page or as an embellishment, or even use them as a bookmark. They're also great for a gift to give to somebody, like a teacher or dog sitter, something like that. These have pretty little pumpkins on them. So they're all different and unique, and there's a bunch of them for Halloween. So I've got these here, and then over here I've started to make some Christmas ones. I don't have a lot done. I only have 3 done, but there are more in the pipeline for that. And then here are just some plain ones that I made that can be used for every day and used as a gift. They're really kind of fun. They have different embellishments. They have laces. They have cheesecloth. Some have nice little quotes on them. So where was the one that I just saw? So this is Art is a Line Around Your Thoughts. So there's things like that. And they're usually pretty popular. So I wanted to make sure I get, like this one is Laugh. Isn't that cute? I wanted to make sure I had enough for the Open Studios this weekend. But I just wanted to share them quick online with you so you could see them. And these will go up in my Etsy shop and my website probably next week when things have died down from the Open Studios, because it's going to be a bit of a hectic weekend. So I hope that you have a great rest of your week, not west of your week. And if you're around and you're local, you want to stop by my studio and say hi. We'll have lots of art and some good visiting. And we can sign up for some art classes. So if you're around, feel free to stop by, and it'll be a nice weekend here in Harvard, Mass. So a good day to take a drive. All right, have a great day, and thanks for watching, and I will be back soon with fun art videos coming up.